Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share to you about the kewirausahaan or entrepreneurship, about idea and opportunity. Yeah. So my name is Marina Tiasa. I'm from Electrical Engineering Nusa Putra University 2025. Yeah. Now this is the introduction. Identifying promising ideas or multifaceted approach. Generating to real business ideas requires a more nuanced approach than simply brainstorming. It necessitates a blend of technological understanding, market awareness, and creative problem solving. Consider these strategies. Yeah. Technology push innovation. This approach starts with a technological advancement instead of focusing solely on the technology itself. The key is to identify its potential application and address unmet needs. For example, advancement in power semiconductor technology could lead to more efficient electric vehicle charging system, smaller and lighting inverters for renewable energy integration, or improved power supplies for data center. The focus shifts from we have this cool technology to what problem can this technology solve efficiently and profitably. Yeah. And then market pull innovation. This uh, this approach begins with identifying a market need or problem. The entrepreneurs need then six technological solutions to address this need. For instance, the increasing demand for reliable and affordable internet access in remote area could drive the development of innovative low-power, long-range wireless communication system. To market research is crucial here. Identifying the target audience, their pain points, and their willingness to pay for a solution. Open innovation. Collaborating with universities, research institutions, and other companies can provide access to cutting-edge technologies and expertise. This approach fosters the exchange of ideas and resources, accelerating the development process and potentially leading to innovative solutions that wouldn't be possible in isolation. And then trend analysis and forecasting. Staying abreast of emerging trends in various sectors. Example, healthcare, transportation, manufacturing is crucial. Identifying technological trends that align with these market shifts can lead to highly successful ventures. For example, the growing adoption of artificial intelligence and machine learning in healthcare could lead to the development of innovative medical devices or diagnostic tools. Yeah, so you have to learn about the Python or another like Orange or RapidMiner or etc. Yeah. Reverse engineering and improvements. Analyzing existing products and identifying areas for improvement can lead to innovative solutions. This approach involves understanding the limitation of current technologies and developing rigorous opportunity evaluation beyond initial assessment. Once potential ideas are generated, a true evaluation is crucial to filter out this lacking viability. This goes beyond a simple checklist and involves a deeper dive into several key areas. Market analysis. This involves a detailed examination of the target market, including market size, growth potential, segmentation, and competitive landscape. Tools like SWOT analysis or strength, weakness, opportunities, threats, and Porter's 5 forces can provide valuable insight. And then financial projections. Developing realistic financial projection including startup costs, operating expenses, revenue streams, and profitability is essential. This requires careful consideration of pricing strategies, sales forecasts, and potential funding sources, and technical feasibility and risk assessment. A true assessment of the technical challenges and risks associated with the project is crucial. This includes evaluating the availability of necessary technologies, the expertise of the team, and the potential for technical setbacks. And then regulatory compliance and intellectual property. Understanding the regulatory landscape and protecting intellectual property are critical aspects of the evaluation process. This involves researching relevant regulations, patents, and trademarks. Go-to-market strategy. Developing a clear go-to-market strategy outlining how the product or service will reach the target market is essential. This includes consideration of distribution channels, marketing strategies, and sales process. Now, developing the business plan, from idea to action. We need to make a business plan first to make a business, because it is very important. You have to know step to step how to make a business. Developing the business plan from idea to action. A well-structured business plan is very essential for securing funding and guiding the development and launch of the venture. The business plan should include executive summary, a concise overview of the business idea, market opportunity, and financial projections, and then company description, a detailed description of the company, its mission, and its vision. Market analysis, a comprehensive analysis of the target market, including market size, growth potential, and competitive landscape. Organization and management, a description of the company's organizational structure and management team. Service or product line, a detailed description of the company's products or services. Marketing and sales strategy, a description of the company's marketing and sales strategy. Funding requests, a detailed description of the company's funding needs and how the funds will be used. Financial projection, detailed financial projection including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statement. Appendix, supporting documents such as market research data, resumes of the key personnel, and letters of support. Now, the conclusion, Successfully launching electrical engineering-based entrepreneurial ventures requires a blend of technical expertise, business acumen, and a well-defined strategy. By systematically identifying promising ideas, rigorously evaluating their viability, and developing a comprehensive business plan, electrical engineering graduates can significantly increase their chances of building successful and impactful businesses. Continuously learning, adaptation, and a commitment to innovation are essential for navigating the dynamic landscape of the electrical engineering industry. Let's create some simple system examples suitable for electrical engineering entrepreneurship, focusing on ease of implementation and lower initial investment. This is the example, one smart irrigation system for home garden. Concept: a small-scale, low-cost irrigation system controlled by a microcontroller, example Arduino, and soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor is to detect the moisture of the tanah, or the ground. The system automatically water plants based on soil moisture levels, conserving water and optimizing plant growth. It could be enhanced with a simple mobile application interface for remote monitoring and control. Yeah, you can use a MIT App Inventor or a Blink or another. Yeah, technology microcontroller, Arduino Uno or similar, soil moisture sensor, relay module to control a water pump or solenoid valve, basic power supply, and potentially a Wi-Fi module for app connectivity. The target market: home gardeners, small farms, or individuals with limited time for manual watering. Yeah, people who work in the office usually don't have time because in the morning they go to their job and then they go back in the night. Simplicity: relatively simple electronics and programming, yeah, like Arduino C, yeah, readily available component, yeah. The component is easy to find online, yeah. And then automated pet feeder concept: a device that automatically dispenses pet food at scheduled time. It could be controlled by a simple timer circuit or microcontroller. For more advanced features like portion control and remote monitoring. Technology: microcontroller optional, timer circuit simpler version, small DC motor with gear reduction, food hooper, power supply. Target market: pet owners, especially those with busy schedules or who travel frequently. Yeah, you can keep your pet automatic feed feeder, and then in the pet shop, yeah, you can uh, ask them to to sell your automatic feed feeder. And then the simplicity: relatively straightforward mechanical and electrical design. Yeah, this is simple. Yeah, now this is one of the example. Yeah, and then solar powered LED garden light. Solar powered LED garden lights concept: small solar powered LED lights for illuminating gardens or pathways. The system would include a solar panel to charge a rechargeable battery, which then powers the lights at night. Technology: small solar panel, rechargeable battery, lithium-ion or NEMH, LED lights, charge control circuit. Target market: homeowners, gardeners, or anyone needing low-cost, eco-friendly outdoor lighting. Simplicity: relatively simple circuit design, readily available component. This is the example, yeah. If you make the task, if there is a coding, you can insert the coding also, yeah. And if there is wiring also, you can insert the wiring in a project, yeah. And then simple smart power strip. Simple smart power strip concept: a power strip with individual outlets that can be controlled remotely via a mobile application or a simple web interface. This allows users to turn device on or off remotely, saving energy and improving convenience. Technology: microcontroller, example ASP32, relay modules, Wi-Fi module, power supply. Target market: home users looking for basic smart home functionality. Simplicity: relatively straightforward design, leveraging readily available microcontroller development boards and online, yeah, resources. Now this is the example, yeah. And then automatic plant lighting system, yeah. Concept: a system that automatically turns on and off grow lights for indoor plants based on a timer or light sensor. This ensures plants receive the optimal amount of light for healthy growth. Technology: timer circuit or light sensor, relay module, grow lights, power supply. Target market: indoor gardeners, plant enthusiasts. Simplicity: simple circuit design, readily available component. Yeah, this is the example. Yeah, so in the task you have to make it complete, like example how to make a business plan. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and then this is for the circuit and the technology and the picture you can make. Yeah, okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi